I made these better than Olive Garden breadsticks. Yes, they are better. They are so delicious. They came out super soft. I absolutely love this recipe. I make this all the time whenever I'm making some type of pasta. You're going to want to make this recipe. Let's get into it. To start off with, in some water, I'm adding some yeast, some sugar. Then I'm going to give that a quick whisk. We're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. Let this activate and bloom. Once it's like that, let's set this aside. I'll be adding some flour to my stand mixer, some salt, some sugar. I'm going to mix that really quick. Then add in my yeast mixture along with some olive oil. Using the dough hook, I'll be kneading this for a good 10 minutes. Start it off on low and then pick it up to about a medium. You can totally do all this process by hand, okay? You do not need a stand mixer. Once it's all mixed, then it's going to look like this. This is perfect. You want some very soft breadsticks. Just going to add that to my surface, bring it all together, knead it by hand for about 5 minutes, and then form it into a ball. Rubbing some olive oil on my bowl, adding the dough ball in there. I do like to always add some more olive oil on top. Cover this with some saran wrap. Place this into my oven with the light on. You're going to let this double its size. It's going to take about 1 hour. And look how pretty that looks. Dusting my surface, I'm going to dump that dough onto there. You want to just slightly press on it, and then you're going to start cutting this into about 6 pieces. And then those 6 pieces you're going to cut in half. So you're going to get about a total of 12 breadsticks with this recipe. You want to roll it, but don't do it too much. The less you roll, the better these are going to come out. Place this on your baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper. Cover this and let these sit for about 20 minutes. I'll be adding some egg wash, which is just an egg yolk with some milk. Just brushing that on. And then I'm going to take these to the oven, bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. You're going to actually smell that bread. Wow, it's going to smell amazing. After it comes out of the oven, you're going to brush on some garlic salt with butter and some dried parsley. Look how delicious these look. I love baking any type of bread because my house just smells like a true bakery. Adding these to a bowl just so that the kids can just snag them right up. Look how delicious these look. These came out super big and really soft. I love this recipe. I absolutely love it. I make this all the time. You're going to love this recipe. Make it for your family. Save it.